everyone, how's it going? I'm Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to do another quick but high intensity body weight workout. You know the drill. Before you start any physical activity, especially one that is high intensity, please do consult your doctor. And when you're ready, let's get it on. Alright, let's start with some jumping jacks. Old school, just like in grade school, gym class, kicking off our heart rate, raising it, and getting our muscles and our joints warmed up for this exercise. We're gonna do everything in under 10 minutes, y'all. All right, we're gonna do 20 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, next exercise, we're gonna do some jump squats. They're gonna look like this, but let's talk about form. All right, when we squat, top to the bottom, form, our eyes are gonna look straight ahead, not down, and not arching our neck up. Our shoulders are gonna be rolled back and down. Our spine is gonna be neutral, meaning when we squat down, we don't want to come forward or arch our back. Tummy tight to protect our back, and our knees never go past that toe. All right, so when we squat down, we come back like we're squatting down into an imaginary chair. Our feet are gonna be about a little bit more than shoulder width apart, and they're gonna be pointing at the 11 and 1. So when you're ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna turn around so you can see me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting it down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's do some reverse burpees, y'all. You're gonna love this. All right. I'm gonna jump up, roll back, come forward. That's 1. We're gonna do 10 of these. You can use your hands for support or challenge yourself and go hands free. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one. All right, let's come around, flip our bodies around. We're gonna do a forearm plank. I'm already out of breath. Okay, form. Eyes are looking a few inches in front of your hands. Your elbows are directly underneath your shoulders. All right, stomach is tight, shoulders roll back, nice straight line from my head to the neck, to the back, to the butt, and to the legs. Woo, I'm out of breath. Okay, so hold that. If you squeeze your butt together and squeeze your legs together, you can hold on a little longer. Nice straight line, y'all. Counting down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Come back down in a child's pose, but not for long. Okay, I'm gonna come up in a plank push-up position. We're not gonna do any push-ups today though. Watch me, my feet are gonna come together. My feet are gonna go apart. Feet together, feet apart. You know what's coming. Ready? Jumping. Plank jacks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's do 10 more, y'all. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we're at halftime. We got 5 more sets, just like that to go. Take a drink of water, catch your breath. I'm catching mine. Let me talk to you for a moment. If those sets get to be too hard, take a break, join me when you're ready. If they're too easy and you want to hold that plank longer or you want to do a few more sets, please customize it how you see fit. This is your time. I'm going to get a drink of water. Woo! Also, if you would like to make this a nice 20-minute workout, please try part 6, which is also another body weight workout. You'll have an even 20 sets in 20 minutes and you can go on about your day. You ready? Let's start it over. Jumping jacks, let's go 40. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Jump squats, y'all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll turn to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! All right, reverse burpees. Woo! Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost there, 7, 8, 9, last one for 10. Get ready for forearm plank. Let's go. All right, let's get on our forearms. Hold it here. Nice straight line. Keep that breathing going. I know I'm trying to. Whew. Whew. Feels good, y'all. Nice straight line. Butt's not arched in or sticking out. Eyes looking directly in front, a few inches in front of your hands. Whew. Count it down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Quick child's pose. Get up on your push-up plank position. Ready? Feet together, feet apart, feet together, feet apart. Let's just go for it. Plank jacks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got this. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 10. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it, y'all. Woo. Woo. We did it. You guys did it. Thank you so much for joining me, for working out with me. By the way, Swami, Lata, and Sunny, you guys are awesome. Keep working out. You inspire me. Have a wonderful day. Woo. And for now, be well.